Hello students, in my previous video I had explained you the presented slide over here about the topic conversion. I have even explained you how you are converting your decimal number system to binary number system. Yes or no? So in the previous video I have only explained you decimal number system to binary number system. Yes, so you know what is conversion now in this slide. So conversion means you are converting the data entered by the user in the binary form. Okay, not only in the binary form, you can convert any of your number system to any other number system also. Okay, so in this presentation I have explained you how you are converting your decimal number system to the binary number system. Yes, so any doubt in this? You want me to explain this again? I will do this in my last video of this chapter, which will be the summary of this chapter video. Okay, I'll just continue now. I will continue with the next number system, that is binary to decimal number system. Okay, binary to decimal number system. Okay, for decimal to binary, what you have done, you are dividing the decimal number which you have got, that is 18, you are dividing with the number called as 2. Why 2? Because you want to convert into binary. Binary consists of only two numbers, that is 0 and 1. Okay, so you are having the number called as 18 base 10, that is your binary number, which you want to convert into 18 base 10, that is your decimal number, which you want to convert into binary number. Yes or no? So you had divided 18 with 2, but in case of your conversion of your binary to decimal number, what is happening is you are not dividing, instead you are multiplying with the power of numbers, with the power of. Let us check. So now let us learn how are we converting the binary numbers to decimal numbers. Okay, let's convert the binary number 10010 base 2. Okay, 10010 base 2 back into its decimal form. See here you had done, you got the answer, right? 10012 base 2. Okay, 10010 base 2, you got this binary number. Let us convert back into decimal form, that is you must get the answer 18 base 10. Okay, let us do how is this working. Okay, so just check over here. Multiply each digit by 2. Conversion of your decimal to binary, what you were doing? You were dividing. Yes, you were dividing each value, that is you were dividing 18 number to 2. Okay, here what you are doing? You are multiplying each number by 2. Okay, raised to the power equivalent to its respective positional height. Raised to the power equivalent to its respective positional weight. Okay, just check. To convert a binary number into its equivalent decimal number, follow these steps. Give positional value to each digit starting from the right. give positional value for the each digit starting from the right, that is 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay, so what is this positional value? That will be your power raised to. Okay, multiply with power of 2 where power is equal to positional value. Multiply power of 2 where power is equal to positional value. Now add all the values that you have obtained. Now add all the value that you have obtained. Okay, just see over here. Okay, just see. Okay, just see over here. 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 0. This is the binary number which we are supposed to convert into the decimal format. Your answer you are supposed to get as 18. How? You are supposed to try with your right hand side. Okay, so 0 into 2, multiply, I said no, so multiply each digit by 2. 0 into 2 to the raise of 0. Okay, to the power of 0. Positional value will be given always from the right hand side. 0 into 2 to the raise of 0 plus 1 into 2 to the raise of 1 plus 0 into 2 to the raise of 2 plus 0 into 2 to the raise of 3 plus 1 into 2 to the raise of 4. Okay, so what happens? 0 into 2 to the raise of 0, 2 into 0 is 0 only. Then 2 into 1, 2 into 1 is 2. Then again 2 into 0 is 0. 2 into again 0 you will get as 0. Now 2 raised to 4 into 1. So what happens over here? That happens as multiplying of 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 4 times you are multiplying. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 4 times you are multiplying 2. That time you are getting 16. Okay, now you are supposed to add. 0 plus 2 is 2, 2 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 16 plus 2 is 18. Did you get? Therefore, for 1 0 0 1 0 base 2, you are getting the decimal number system as 18 base 10. All understood? Okay. Now let us take one more decimal number, that is one more binary number, that is 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 base 2. You are supposed to convert this into decimal equivalent. Okay, just see over here how it is working. 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. Okay, just see how it is working. You are always supposed to take from the right hand side. Okay, from the right hand side. So just see over here how you are writing this. So always count the position from the right hand side of a binary number. So your position starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. always have a position counting of a binary number from the right hand side. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So the positions you all are aware now. Once again I will repeat the positions of a number. Always start from the right hand side. 0, position of a number, of a binary number. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got it? Now just see what I have told. You are supposed to multiply by 2. When you are converting your binary number to a decimal number, you are supposed to multiply by 2. But when you are converting your decimal number to a binary number, you are supposed to divide by 2. Okay? Just see over here. 0 into 2. What is the position of this 0? That is 6. From right hand side we have counted, that is from 0 to 6 it came. Yes or no? So now, 0 into 2 to the power of 6. Okay? 0 into 2 to the power of 6. This one. Plus 1 into 2 to the power of 5. Plus 1 into 2 to the power of 4. Plus 0 into 3 to the power of 3. Okay. 0 into 2 to the power of 3. Plus 1 into 2 to the power of 2. Plus 0 into 1, 0 into 2 to the power of 1. Plus 1 into 2 to the power of 0. Okay. In this way you are supposed to split your decimal number. Yes or no? All understood this? That is, once again, the position of a decimal number always starts from the right hand side by counting from 0. Okay? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and if it is bigger, then more goes on. Yes? So, and when you are writing, you will start from the left hand side. Okay? That is 0 into 2 to the power of 6 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 5 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 4 plus 0 into 2 to the power of 3 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 2 plus 0 into 2 to the power of 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 0. Cleared this statement, the first statement. Now you are supposed to calculate. Okay? You are multiplying 2 6 times. That is 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are something. Okay? So, what value you are getting? Into 0. That is giving you a 0 only. Again, you are counting 2 5 times. Again, 2 into 2, 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. 32 into 1, 32. Again, 1 into 2, 4 times you are multiplying 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 16 1s are 16. Yes. Then plus 0 into 2 to the power of 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 into 0. 8 into 0. 0. Yes. Again plus 1 into 2 to the power of 2, that is 4. 4 into 1, 4, plus 0 into 2 to the power of 1, that is 2 ones are 2, 2 into 0, 0. Next, 1 into 2 to the power of 0, means you are directly multiplying 2 into 1, that is 1. You will take it as 1. Why? Because you will not take it as 2. You will take it as 1. Why? Because you are having 2 to the raise of 0 over here. So anything which is divided 2 to the raise of 0 into 1 means the answer will be 1. When you are adding up all these digits, you get a decimal value called as 53. You get answer as 53. So the binary number of 0110101 base 2, the decimal answer is 53 base 10. See, a base 10 must be written compulsorily. 53 is the answer which you have converted to decimal number. So, which you have converted to decimal number. So, you are writing as base 10 over here. Understood this slide? Yes. So, two conversions I have explained you, that is decimal to binary and binary to decimal. I'll stop my video over here. Thank you.